Hi, in this short tutorial, I will going to show you where you can find the PHP version in your GoDaddy's hosting. If you're managing WordPress website, you should log in already at the backend, and you can see that there's already manage WordPress at the top bar, and at the drop down look for hosting settings, and when you click it will redirect you to your GoDaddy's account. And after redirecting, we will wait after the page is loaded. And so here we go, we have the PHP version of our hosting in GoDaddy. And so whenever you would like to change something in your PHP version, just click change, and there you go, you can roll back at the previous version or just stay at the current version. This tutorial is concluded. Thank you for watching.